Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fellow humans. Today we are going to explore the meaning of a beautiful attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Al-MUHYEE. Allah is the giver of life to things without life. As Allah can make that which does not exist come to be, as Allah can give life to the one without life. Allah can kill a thing and restore its life. Allah is the one who has created life and who has created death. None else can do that. Think of yourself. Once you were non-existent. You were not alive. Allah created us in our mother's wombs and gave us life, brought us to this world to breathe, to eat, to grow. He gave us strength, the ability to think, to seek, to find, to know, to hear, to talk, to build, to destroy, and to propagate. All this and this life does not belong to us. It is a gift lent to us. The only thing that is ours is the choice we make in the testing ground of this world. To be faithful or unfaithful, to obey or to revolt. That choice will qualify us for heaven or hell when we die and are brought back to life again. The faithful are thankful for the life they have received. They put their thankfulness into action by serving Allah's creatures for Allah's sake, working hard continuously as if they were never going to die. Yet we should also remember death continuously and work for the hereafter, for our salvation, as if we were going to die at the next moment. So who is Abdul-MUHYEE? Abdul-MUHYEE is the one who brings his heart to life, a heart filled with beasts of this world is dead. A heart that is cleansed of this world and contains nothing but Allah is alive and becomes the house of Allah. To such a servant, Allah may even give permission, as He did for Jesus, to restore the dead to life. This is Abdul-MUHYEE. If someone who suffers from being a slave to his ego continues to recite this name until he falls asleep from fatigue, he may be able to control his evil desires. If people recite this name daily 68 times, Allah will beautify their hearts with the light of faith and wisdom and will give them the wish to help others in need. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala extend His help to you, and may you manifest and extend the help to the needy and the poor. Assalamu alaikum.